9 Natural Alternatives for a Chesty Cough. There are several types of cough medicines available in pharmacies and supermarkets to help with a chesty cough. To find out more about these, consult your healthcare professional. In addition to cough medicines, you can try these natural alternatives at home, which may help relieve your chesty cough. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. How to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Hydration. Keeping your fluids up while you have a cough or cold will help your body function at its best. Drinking room temperature water is ideal and can help relieve a cough and runny nose. Drinking hot liquids, such as herbal tea, can also help relieve other cold symptoms, including a sore throat, mild chills, and mild fatigue. Caffeine and alcohol cause dehydration and should be avoided when you have a chesty cough. You should also be aware that consuming milk and other dairy products may make your phlegm thicker, making it uncomfortable to cough up. 2. Ivy leaf. Ivy leaf is something you may not have thought could help relieve a chesty cough. You might have seen houses and trees covered with the ivy plant, but did you know that extract from its leaves has been used in cough medicines? Saponins present in ivy leaf may help make mucus less thick, which helps loosen it from your chest and makes it easier to cough up. Ivy leaf can be found in naturally derived cough medicines available in pharmacies and some supermarkets. Ask your local pharmacist for more information. 3. Herbal tea. A warm mug of non-caffeinated tea before bed is a great way to try and have a relaxing sleep in spite of a cough. Warm liquids can help clear your airways, helping you to breathe without interruption while you sleep. Add some honey and lemon to your tea. It will taste great and provide additional mucus clearing benefits. 4. Steam. Taking a hot, steamy shower when you have a cold can relax your muscles and leave you feeling comforted, but it can also help your chesty cough. Warm and moist air relieves a productive cough by loosening mucus in your chest, making it easier to get rid of. Drink some cool water after your shower to prevent dehydration and bring your body temperature back down. An alternative way to get the benefits of steam is to fill a bowl with hot water, lean over it and place a tea towel over your head to trap the steam. Inhale the steam for 5 minutes, making sure to take a break if it feels too hot. Add some eucalyptus oil to the water to help clear a blocked nose. 5. Thyme. Thyme is a herbal ingredient that has been traditionally used alongside ivy leaf in the relief of coughs and mild bronchitis. Thyme leaves contain flavonoids, compounds that reduce inflammation and calm the throat when it is sore from coughing. Make some thyme tea at home by adding 2 teaspoons of fresh or dried thyme to hot water, steeping for 10 minutes, and then straining. Wait for it to cool and enjoy. 6. Pineapple. You might be surprised to see this one on the list. Pineapples contain the enzyme bromelain in their fruit and stem, which may help both dry and chesty coughs. Drink a small glass of fresh pineapple juice with breakfast or have a slice of pineapple as an after-dinner snack. It is recommended to have at least 3 servings of pineapple a day. Make a yummy smoothie with fresh pineapple pieces, freshly squeezed lemon and fresh mint leaves. Your taste buds will thank you and it will help your cough as well. 7. Salt water gargle. Gargling is a traditional way to ease a sore throat, and doing so with salt water can have the added benefit of reducing phlegm and mucus in your throat. Add half a teaspoon of table salt to a cup of warm water and stir until it dissolves completely. Let it cool to a comfortable temperature and gargle for 30 seconds. You can do this several times a day. Just avoid swallowing the salt water. Please note that children under 6 may have difficulty gargling. Consider one of the other natural alternatives on this list to help out your younger kids. 8. Air humidifiers. The humidity of the air around you can affect your chesty cough. Experts recommend a humidity level of 40% to 50%. Air that is too dry can worsen your cough, but air that is too humid can attract dust mites and mold, both of which can trigger hay fever, allergies, and increase your coughing and other symptoms. Consider using a humidifier in your bedroom to help you get a good night's sleep if you have a cough and if allergies are an issue for you. 9. Sleeping on an incline. This is a great tip for when your chesty cough is stopping you from getting a good night's sleep. Sleep on a slight angle with your head above your body. You can do this by sleeping on an extra pillow or propping up the head of your mattress on some durable objects. This will help reduce mucus and phlegm from pooling in your throat while you sleep, and also help stop irritating stomach acids from moving up into your throat during your sleep. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.